The story of this amazing fruit, noni, begins with its most important ingredient, proserenine, which is a large molecule with two club-like ends. When we drink the juice of the noni fruit, the proserenine goes through our digestive tract and into the large intestine, where it is then sent into the liver. The liver is the main storehouse for many of the essential nutrients which we take into our bodies. Every 2 hours, the liver should release a certain amount of this proserenine into the bloodstream, where it is converted to zeranine, a substance used in protein assimilation. Through the bloodstream, it is transported to various tissues of the body. To understand what happens, it is necessary to move into the molecular level. In order for the proserenine to be made into zeranine, the action of an enzyme called proserinase is necessary. Proserenine wraps itself around the enzyme proserinase, and the enzyme joins the two club-like ends of the proserenine together, cutting off the useless chain. It then combines with serotonin, a hormone primarily produced in the brain, to form an essential molecule called zeranine. Once zeranine is formed, it combines with many proteins in the body. These proteins require zeranine in order to function. There is a specific site on certain proteins that allow them to combine with zeranine. Many of these proteins are not able to perform any of their duties without zeranine. Not all proteins require zeranine to function, but many vital proteins acting as hormones, antibodies, and enzymes need zeranine. Zeranine enables the protein to carry out their responsibilities. First, they give structure to hair, skin, and bones. Proteins provide most of the structure of your body, even down to the cell itself. Second, they allow the transport of chemicals within and without the cell, attracting important nutrients and allowing them passage through the cell membrane. Third, proteins also act as hormones in the body. In this capacity, they coordinate all bodily processes at the molecular level. Fourth, they act as antibodies in their support of the immune system. The antibodies attach to foreign bodily invaders, such as viruses, and incapacitate them. Finally, proteins act as enzymes facilitating all chemical production in the body. Our cells are constantly breaking down and building chemical compounds, and it is protein that allows this to happen. Now we understand why proserenine is so important to our bodies. Knowing that it is naturally supplied to us by the food that we eat, why do so many people realize benefits from the regular use of the noni fruit juice? There are several reasons why the body requires a proserenine-rich supplement. One of these is the loss of micronutrients from the soil due to chemical fertilization and soil nutrient depletion. Another is poor nutrition, illness, or a highly active or stressful lifestyle. Even aging will place an increased demand on proteins. In order to meet these demands and keep the body healthy, we can increase our supply of proserenine by drinking noni juice to overcome the effects of low levels of zeranine and restore healthy protein assimilation. Zeranine's role in the body has many other applications. It acts as the body's supreme pain reliever and anesthetic because it works with endorphins produced in the brain to numb pain and produce feelings of euphoria. Endorphins are the hormones that are responsible for producing good feelings. As we have learned, the liver is the main place of storage for proserenine. The second major storage place for proserenine is the skin. Proserenine is converted to zeranine throughout the body, including the skin. An ample amount of proserenine is needed to maintain healthy skin, hair, and scalp. By using skincare and hair care products containing proserenine, skin, hair, and scalp conditions may show marked improvement. We have described only a few applications of an extensive list, which can be created in support of the tremendous potential proserenine supplements could have. Consumers of noni fruit juice have already experienced many amazing benefits that a proserenine supplement can have on maintaining health and assisting the body to heal itself. By sharing the cultural uses of the noni fruit and the scientific knowledge of how and why we can benefit from a prozeramine-rich supplement, we are making a major contribution to the goal of a healthier